thinking about buying the Vitality Magic Pro 2.0. This sleek-looking neck massager has been making the rounds online with some very bold claims. According to their website, it's supposed to relieve vagus nerve compression, ease migraines, fix dizziness, reduce brain fog, and even save you thousands on physical therapy. Sounds pretty incredible, right? Almost too incredible. The problem is, when you look a little deeper, a lot of red flags start to show up. The claims they make are pretty over the top, promising instant relief from neck tension, headaches, and even anxiety in just 15 minutes a day. But there's no scientific proof to back any of this up. No clinical trials, no medical studies, and no real endorsements from health professionals. Just flashy marketing words that sound good on paper. Another issue is the price. They sell this device for around $97, marked down from a supposed $200. But the same device can be found on sites like Alibaba or AliExpress for less than $12. That's a huge markup for something that's mass-produced and rebranded under different names. On top of that, they throw in numbers like 92% felt instant relief, but never show any data, sources, or third-party testing to prove it. Then there's the whole transparency problem. The company doesn't clearly say who they are, where they're based, or provide any proper certifications. They hint at being an FDA Class II wellness device, but they don't give any FDA registration number, CE mark, or ROHS certification. It feels like they're using technical terms just to sound more legitimate than they actually are. And if you think the 90-day money-back guarantee makes it safe, think again. The catch is you have to ship the product back to China at your own expense, which often costs more than the device itself. Customers who've tried returning it say the process is a nightmare. Some were asked to send videos of themselves using the product before even being considered for a refund. Others were offered only partial refunds, like $45 back on a $150 purchase. That doesn't exactly inspire confidence. When you check real customer reviews, the picture gets even murkier. Some people say they had no problems, and even recommend the brand, but there are also plenty of horror stories. Customers talk about orders taking months to arrive, tracking numbers not working, generic copy-paste replies from customer service, and in some cases not receiving their items at all. A few had to involve their banks just to get their money back. To top it all off, this looks like a classic dropshipping setup. The same neck massager is being sold under different flashy names, always with limited-time discounts and bundled freebies like pillows, balms, or ebooks to push you into buying quickly. It's high-pressure marketing, designed to make you feel like you're missing out if you don't buy right away. So is the Vitality Magic Pro 2.0 legit or a scam? It might technically work as a basic neck massager, but the exaggerated claims, lack of proof, questionable business practices, and poor customer experiences are major red flags. If you're considering it, I'd say be very cautious. There are more reliable, well-reviewed neck massagers available from trusted brands, without all the sketchy marketing.